Well, I'm back at my little bench here, testing engines, which is pretty fun. I ran this guy. He's a little vibration. I'm going to have to work on these wheels. This guy's pretty good. I don't think his smoke's working. I'm not sure. Then I got my 287 out. I thought, you know, I haven't seen this guy in a while. I'm going to pull him up and see what he can do. And by golly, he's okay. This is sort of like my 283 that I had. He's got a little bit of smoke. You can see that. He's got a firebox with a flickering fire in there. That's a bright orange glow of fire. He's got a silver bar for the engineer to pull back on and all that. And he's got his Northwestern in Chicago tender. But if you give him too much juice, he likes to walk. I didn't print the plate for these, so I'm going to have to do that. They will bounce if your wheels are out of flat, you know, they'll bounce. That's pretty cool for running your engines on a test. Like I was saying the other day, you could actually put a demonstration together, like, you know, a display of some kind, and that would be pretty fun. And I had the Hudson working just a few minutes ago. Sorry I didn't show it to you, but I don't want to now. I will see if I can't find my Northern and or my Mountain, Illinois Central Mountain engine. That's a lot more fun to see because it is really unique. Okay, later.